This is elevator 9 at Westmoreland Hospital in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is an late 70s or 80s Westinghouse elevator. It's original, which is nice. Basement, sticky buttons. This definitely looks like 70s, late 70s here down. Too braille. Took a second to start up. Really wonky indicator. Here's the basement. Or B, not basement. East wing garage, got to 1. Here we go up. Down to ground. Phone box is all the way up here. It's a non-ADA phone. It's a basic vapor green cab. There's an air freshener here, which is really stinky. There's perfume here back at ground. The G and 1 buttons have been replaced with beam door opener original. I'm closing, that's going to be it.